on, off button long press for 3 seconds to turn on and off. Short press to turn view to function. Reset UC to press the reset button for 3 seconds. The microphone thus produces 5 VPLT1 amp to charge. Their front indicator should see three colors of light, red, green, and blue. Their mute indicator is on the lateral side. Slow and for shared. Light indicates the battery. Solid red light indicates charging status. Blue light indicates full charge. Reset UC to press the reset button for 3 seconds. Attack to enlist device with lightning connector and provide output. 3.5 Mid jack for all timer transmitter sound monitor again playing back sound on the phone. Connection indicator. Solid green light indicates successful connection between the transmitter and the receiver. Slow flashing green light indicates disconnection during pairing green process. Thin lights will turn to flashing green light.